Okay, so what we're moving on to next is synthetic division. And this is a little bit easier than just regular division. So what you want to start out with is your number, right? So you take your main number. Since it's in parentheses, you use the opposite, which is 3. So you write 3 down here and put a little half box around it. And then you bring down the exponents. You go from decreasing order of the exponents, and you add the coefficients down here. You just put the coefficients down here. So x to the 4th, well, the coefficient is 1, so put 1. And it's a little bit tricky because there's no x to the 3rd. So what you want to do, you don't want to just skip over it. I mean, that's not what you do. What you want to do is just put a 0, because there's nothing there, so just 0. Then you move on to 3x squared, and it's obviously 3, that's the coefficient of it. And negative 8x, the coefficient for that is negative 8. And negative 84, you want to add that too. Negative 84. Now what you do is pretty much just draw your line, and what you do is you always bring this first number down, excuse me, no matter what it is, 400, whatever it is, you always bring it down. So straight down 1, and then you bring this bottom number up and you multiply it by that. So 1 times 3 is 3, and you add 0 plus 3, 3, 3 times 3, 9, 3 plus 9, 12, 12 times 3, 36, negative 8 plus 36 is 28, and 28 times 3 is 84. So then you're adding this, and that becomes 0. Now this number right here, this is your remainder. And you usually want it to be 0, but if it's not 0, say it's 1, 2, whatever number, anything but 0, you always put it over that number. So let's say it's 2, then it would be 2 over x minus 3, like that. So you put that there, but we don't have that. That's not in this case. So what you want to do now is you want to give it 1 shorter than x to the 4th. So you want to go to the x to the 3rd, starting with that as 1. So 1 x to the 3rd plus 3x to the 2nd plus 12x plus 28. And then your remainder is 0. And right here, that's your answer. Simple stuff.